come and watch the finals of the U9 as we play it in Field C, where Bacolod Aga will be facing PSA. And now, on our left side, we have Ada Bacolod versus PSA. On our right side, we have Laos versus PSA. On our right side, we have Laos versus Ada.
Hindi na, patunga.
So for those who haven't registered in the pavilion, don't miss out. In our awarding, we will have a raffle for who will be receiving IKEA gift cards. So go to the table now and ask for the pavilion so you can register now. Still 0-0 between Ada Bacolod and PSA. Who will strike first? Now we have PSA attacking. Bacolod regaining it again. Bacolod on the rise. Bacolod FC attacking. Shoot! Oh! PSA counter attacks.
Live.
Keeping the ball. Ada passing forward. PSA on the attack again. PSA. Great defense.
Sipa!
On the right side, we also have Ada and Laos. Make sure to watch all of the... On the left side, we also have Perpetual FC and San Beda Rizal. Attack! Great defense by PSA. PSA counters. Leads against Kaya FC. Great.
Okay, throw it.
Oh, kalma.
Arrange yourselves. Perpetual.
Isa lang. Urat.
Pasta! Sipa!
Oh my God.
Ada Bacolod goes on the counter attack. Easily intercepted by PSA. Ada Bacolod passes. Oh, another one with the Cristiano Ronaldo celebration.
Una!
Ada on the right side against Laos FC. Laos on the attack. Foul. foul. PSA on the counter attack. PSA well defended by well cleared by Laos FC.
Get the ball over it.
Keeps the ball, crosses it.
Foul!
Well defended by PSA. Moving on. Bacolod brings on. Bacolod is being relentless, but PSA is not backing down.
Okay! Get the ball!
Takes a shot. Saved by the goalkeeper. Showing incredible saves.
Get the ball!
Elected by the volleys. Ada Bacolod brings it back. Well defended by Ada Bacolod, but PSA brings it right back. What a tackle by Ada Bacolod on the counter attack. PSA and Ada Bacolod not showing weakness. Ada and Laos here on the right side, still scoreless.
Singget! Lagas! Lagas! Lagas!
Players who are not playing, please step off the pitch.
Sipa!
Players who are not playing, please step off. Players!
Nice one! Corner!
Well defended by PSA. Ada Bacolod still keeps the ball. Cleared away by PSA, but Ada's on his feet. Ada shoots! Goes long. And we will All the U11s and U13s, please stand by because we will start your games after the penalty.
Okay!